If you guys didn't know, my last keyboard, mechanical keyboard, got broken, and my mom and I just ordered a new keyboard, and here it is. And from the thumbnail, you guys could see the RGB is insane. Here's a quick sound test. And honestly, I love it. It has a lot of different lightings, and it has way more than just this one. I like to call this one the glitch because it just goes everywhere. Oh, and if you guys want this keyboard, it is the ziyoulang 3K mechanical RGB backlight keyboard. So yeah, now without any more yapping, let's get into some CubeCraft games. Oh yeah, also on this keyboard, right, it has these things right here. This has you can enable this one right here, which is like a small stand. I don't normally use this one. And then you also have the big one, which I normally use. Oh yeah, it's also not Bluetooth, it's wired. And I got a keycap puller. Oh shit. Ugh, there you go. And here is the switch puller. Now, you need the power of the Hulk to get this thing out, right? I'm not gonna be able to get it out because it's just way too hard to get this thing out. But it is hot swappable. I did do it before. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna play on an alt account with the same skin. My alt account is a Combo King. Or not my alt account, this is my second phone. So it's my second account. I'm just gonna play with it because my first account, my phone is almost dead. It's 20%. And also on my second account, I'm not as laggy. So let's get into it. Okay, we're in. Let's lock in, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys this, but it's also hot swappable. So if you guys don't like this keys, then you can always switch it out. Did I type that correctly? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Okay, I typed it correctly. I've been practicing the ABCs on my keyboard. Alright, let's get into it. So, there's a lot of stuff I forgot to tell you guys in the intro. So, I basically have to record that again. But I'll just tell you, it has these stands, every keyboard has the stand to put it up straight. Okay, I'll just explain in the intro, you guys don't have to worry. I'm finally in a game. Oh my goodness, I'm fighting 2 sweats. Oh, I forgot I don't have a ring. And I also don't have a texture pack. Shit. Imagine getting humbled. Oh. Oh, so laggy. I hit it? What? I did not hit. Oh, shoot. Okay, this is going badly. No. Bro, my teammate is so trash. What is this? Please. See, if I was playing on my first account, then my hits wouldn't even register, so I would just die instantly. Oh, this is so annoying. Yes! I have to void. Now what is this, bro? My teammate left. What is this? If they both just like came at me like 2v1, then they could have got the flag already. There's the second one. Okay, that's what they're kind of doing. Come on, come on, come on. No, they're gonna get it. Ah, GG. Okay, well, GG, I guess. Oh yeah, something with this other keyboard. Why am I only fighting rings, man? Something about my keyboard is it's way more responsive than my second keyboard. Like I barely just type the key and it already walks. So it's way more responsive than my last keyboard. Which I kind of like. So I can like move quickly or stuff like that. But also sometimes I just fall into the void. Shoot. Man, I hate people who stack. I hate this. We do this. This is bad. Bro. Okay. No! We're gonna have to make our own bridge. Because I can't get on the main one. Bro! Did you just see that, bro? I just took no KB for a split second because I just kept holding in my key. Bro, that's sad. Please. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Bro, does this guy just not learn his lesson? Can you like make your own bridge? Yo, what the hell? He almost killed me there. I was in. Please tell me I win this. No, he wins. Oh, I clipped. No. Oh my goodness, GG's. Oh yeah, also my thumbnail, as you can see, that was my own thumbnail. I know you guys are used to my old stupid thumbnails, but I actually am gonna start focusing on my channel. Bro, why am I only fighting rings? I'm actually gonna start focusing on my channel and like working on thumbnails or editing my video. I don't think I have to edit my video in this. I don't think I'm gonna edit like too much because I'm like super lazy, unfortunately. Like really lazy. Should I click? Okay. Imagine I just want to win one. Oh my goodness. What the hell? Okay, let's fight someone else. Only if I had rank, then I could like choose the kit. Because I'm not really good at tank. I only play tactical or OP tricky. And well, I kind of like this kit though. I like this. Imagine I lose, bro. That would be so embarrassing. I lose to all ranks and then also lose to Anon. But I have an excuse. I don't have my texture pack. The texture pack gives me powers. I'm playing so badly today. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, going back to the keyboard, I definitely wouldn't recommend this keyboard to people with like extremely big hands or people with extremely small hands. I have small hands, so if this keyboard didn't have like its back setting thing, then I wouldn't be able to play with this keyboard because it's actually really tall and big. So I won't really recommend it to people with like really large hands or people with extremely small hands. There you go. I haven't played CubeCraft in a long time. I only play like Zega Bridge. Alright, look, let's do like two more games. We can do a power measure. Oh yeah, also for some reason I searched this keyboard up on YouTube. My keyboard has red switches, but the same keyboard on this other guy's channel had blue switches. So I don't know if he just switched the keycaps or something, or the switches, but like it sounded completely different. So this keyboard is hot swappable. I hope you guys do know that. It comes in with a, oh my goodness, it's so laggy. It comes with a keyboard with a keycap switcher and a switch puller and a keycap puller. I think that's what you call it. I don't know. So I hate this map. I always lag on this map. My game is at least smooth. If I played on my first account, I would be so laggy. There you go. Final kill for the win. Am I fighting him again? Oh, I press F1. Alright. Ooh, this one's kind of scary though, because you take so much damage on this one, so you have to be quick with your reels. This guy is insane. Okay, I died. That's crazy. He was actually insane. I'm fighting him again. Oh wait, he has a cage. Okay, so he bought something or he has a rank. But rank doesn't really improve your skill, honestly. But normally people with rank, they're normally good at the game. Oh my goodness, I'm so trash with the bow. That's crazy. I've been only losing. Bro, I'm keep finding the same guy. Okay. Maybe I can do something here. There you go. I'm the combo king for a reason, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, he ran, man. Nah, there's no way he ran. He ran when I like comboed him. I'm gonna do that. That's just I'm thinking of it. It's actually pretty smart. Okay, let's walk. But he got me in the corner, so he's gonna win. GG. Okay, this is actually my last game. I feel like I've been only fighting sweats this entire video. It's probably because of like challenge queuing. If you guys know what that is. What the fuck? What the hell? Okay, finally I'm fighting someone else. Okay, after this game I'm gonna... I need to improve with my bow, honestly. I'm so bad at the bow. Wait, PvP. PvP. So let's practice my PvP skills. Practicing my PvP skills. Let's go. Practicing my PvP skills. It's so laggy. Don't need your gap, please. Please don't need your gap. GG. Alright, well, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe. It's completely free. And if you guys want to see more things I can do on this account, I mean, then yeah, I can do whatever I want. I can hack. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.